share with you why I chose soft saddlebags over the more traditional hard saddlebags. On a lot of adventure bikes you'll see something like this rear case I've got here, big heavy square plastic stuff or even aluminum, big square luggage hanging off these bikes, but I think it's just outright dangerous and it's a little inconvenient. So let's talk about these soft bags and why they're better. So first and foremost for me, soft bags are about safety. I've had two personal friends that I've ridden motorcycles with break their legs on hard bags, and I watched one of them do it. The other one, he was off on a ride on his own. But what happens is you're riding off-road, or actually just riding an adventure bike into a parking lot in one case, your foot comes off the pegs, your foot stays planted, the bike moves forward, the saddlebags come into your leg, snap. Compound fractures are nasty. So with soft bags, even, if you lay the bike down, they're going to move, they're going to conform to the ground. If your leg comes into them, they're going to move, they're going to squish. So you're less likely to injure yourself with soft bags. I said less likely because obviously it's not impossible. Depends on what you have in them, depends on how hard stuff hits, but less likely to injure you. Now, when I said that hard bags are less convenient, a lot of you are probably going, what are you talking about? Flip it open, flip it closed, it locks. Well, yes, but with soft bags, they'll conform to what you put in them. See how narrow they are here? I've got a zipper on the bottom. I can unzip it and expand them if I need them to be larger. If I don't, my handlebars are wider than the saddlebag, so if my handlebar's clear, I know these will. I don't have to worry about it. If I make them wider, then they are wider than the handlebars, and I have to pay a little more attention. But they're only as wide as I need them to be, and they'll form a bit to whatever I put in them. If you have hard bags, you're not going to get those to change shape at all. So that's what I meant by more convenient. Also, I can just pop these off very quickly, which you can see in my SW Motec Blaze saddlebag review. And I can actually lock these to the bike with locks, which I'll show in that video also. But that's why I pick soft bags over hard bags. That's just my opinion. Yours might be different, but that works for me. So that's why I do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to do all the things to make the YouTube algorithm happy, like, subscribe, like the video. If you're a really wonderful person, consider supporting the channel. Thanks for watching.